event growing every year. It's getting bigger. It's more coming into it. So not only Movilizer anymore, other parts of Honeywell. So it's really good to gather knowledge, share ideas.
The chance to interact and be creative. I've been talking to guys from Australia, guys from South Africa, our friends from Holland, Belgium and so on. And we stand together, we discuss.
You have every year something new to hear, to see, to feel. I want this experience to share with my customers and my people in company, my colleagues.
We definitely have certain areas that we want to look at. A lot of stuff in the presentations themselves. So yeah, we had so far a good and educating time at this event.
It feels more modern, the whole setup. There's activities and fun games. It's all about getting the experience of what being connected means.
I talked about lots of industry trends from big data to analytics and the importance of developing a software platform that was scalable. Movilizer will be the foundation, the platform that we build all future applications on.
We are very glad that Honeywell is moving towards solutions, taking very seriously, very smartly this broad and big picture. So it's very important for us to follow up.
That's what we expect. That they are not stable, they are always moving, and this is what we need, because we are always changing every year. There's new things.
I also like the idea about faster delivery of value to customers. That's always the target. So I'm looking forward to see how Honeywell will get into that journey.
The inclusion of the interactive games this year, we're bringing the Movilizer solution to life. I think it's really cool. The Hackathon as well is also a great addition to spark that innovation.
So I just see people talking around the technology and meeting people, and it's a great source for them to get ideas and get inspired by their customers.
It triggered us also to start thinking about certain topics even further than we already are. So that was really great.
We have small stands that we're showing specific technologies, and we have our expert corners where people are talking about specific topics, but really a lot of it happens over lunch and coffee and the networking that you can do just walking around.